Chapter 5 Mumbai. Another most important metropolitan city of India is Mumbai. Earlier, it was known as Bombay. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is also known as the financial capital of India. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India near the Arabian Sea. It is the second oldest and largest port by size in India. People from all parts of India come to work in Mumbai. Marathi and Konkani are the main languages spoken in Mumbai. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. It is neither too hot nor too cold. During the monsoon, Mumbai receives heavy rainfall. It is quite warm and humid in summers and pleasant in winters. The governor, the chief minister, and the other offices of Maharashtra government are in Mumbai. All the important offices of the state government are located in Mumbai. Industries. A number of industries are located here. Mumbai is the largest center of cotton textile mills in India. The other major industries in Mumbai are of chemical product, engineering goods, electronic goods, shipbuilding, automobiles, and food processing. Mumbai High is one of the richest petroleum fields in India. It is about 160 kilometers away from the Mumbai coast. Places of interest. There are many places of interest in and around Mumbai. The most famous landmark of Mumbai is the Gateway of India, which stands at the entrance of the port. People usually gather at the Gateway of India in the evenings and watch the ships in the harbour. The fort is the commercial and cultural center of the city. Most of the important offices, banks, theatres, and the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, earlier known as Victoria Terminus, are located here. Mumbai has beautiful beaches like Girgaon Chowpatty, Juhu Beach, and Versova Beach. Marine Drive offers a beautiful view of the Arabian Sea. Horse carriages are often seen on this road. Other attractive tourist spots are Prince of Wales Museum, Nehru Planetarium, Tara Porewala Aquarium, Kamla Nehru Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Malabar Hills, Nariman Point, Hanging Gardens, Jahangir Art Gallery, and Essel World. Another place that attracts a large number of tourists every day is the Elephanta Caves. They are located 10 kilometers far from Mumbai and are dedicated to Lord Shiva. They are famous for beautiful stone carvings. The Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, is located near Mumbai. This center carries out research related to peaceful uses of atomic energy. The Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and the Indian Institute of Technology are also located in Mumbai. Mumbai is also known for the Hindi film industry. Most of the Hindi films we watch are produced in Mumbai. Food. Bhel Puri, Vada Pav, and Pav Bhaji are the famous delicacies of Mumbai. People also enjoy eating Shrikhand, a sweet dish. Festival. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of Mumbai. Huge processions of idols of Lord Ganesh are taken out with lot of joy and devotion. Transport. Mumbai has a very good transport system. People travel by the best buses and local trains. Mumbai is connected with other parts of the country by air, rail, and road. The Seher. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in India. Let's understand. Financial. Related to money. Humid, having high level of water vapor in the atmosphere. Harbour. A port or a shelter for the ships. Recap. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is located on the west coast of India and is the largest port. The main languages spoken in Mumbai are Marathi and Konkani. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold.